Came up with the idea of using a simple 2" by 2" cake pan, and I put all the ingredients in there at once. What we need here is 2 cups of mixed vegetables, thawed. You buy them frozen, thaw them out, just dump them in there. All right, so we got that carrots, you got some corn, some beans. This is nice. Secondly, from there, 1/3 cup of butter. And you're going to melt the butter with the mixed vegetables. So then just drop your butter in there also with your mixed vegetables. From there, you want to use about 1/2 cup of milk. Pour that in there also. We're going to pour everything in. This is going to be real simple. We'll make it in the toaster oven. And this ain't at the Four Seasons. Also, 1 3/4 cups of chicken stock. It is called chicken pot pie, so you definitely need that chicken flavor. That's where you're gonna get it. From there, just give this a little bit of a mix, the butter, the vegetables, the chicken stock. Give it a good, stir here. And it's good if you have the butter at room temperature, because that's gonna help tremendously. Okay. And finally, once you get it stirred, throw in 1/3 cup of flour. And the flour is gonna thicken the pie filling and give you that delicious, creamy texture that you want for your chicken pot pie. Okay, so we have our pie filling here. Going to put it in the toaster oven at 425 degrees for roughly 15 minutes. But after 10 minutes, take a look at it and give it a good stir. Okay, everybody, it's pie crust time. Time to make that pie crust. And no, you don't have to get a bunch of graham crackers and crush them up for a half hour and mix it with butter and all that other nonsense. To me, pie crust has always been intimidating. But this is an easy way of doing it. You simply go to the supermarket and you buy a cheap pie crust. And once you get it, you simply, you refrigerate it, make sure it's not frozen, and you take the pie crust and you gently unroll it. Look how easy that is. You know, this reminds me of the old days when I used to play with Play-Doh and stuff like that, except I wouldn't eat the Play-Doh. And look, here it is, pie crust. Now, what do we do with this? You take this pie crust, that's one of them, and you place it on the pie pan or pie bowl or whatever it is. And check this out. That's all you do. Here we have it. It's pie crust. Wow, was that hard? Easy. I'm telling you right now, every dude in America is going to be making chicken pot pie for their families. You're going to look like heroes. But this is a glass pie pan. Keep in mind, if you're using aluminum or metal or something else, whatever the heck you're using, you might want to use cooking spray on the bottom or with butter. With this typical one, you don't need it. It's the way that the crust is designed. But it wouldn't hurt to butter up that pan first, because I don't want to see your comments that I didn't butter it. I know to butter it. I'm not an idiot. Look at me, I have the successful cooking show. The filling is cooking, the bottom crust is ready. Let's check this out. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes and I've been stirring it every once in a while. Let's open it up. Oh my God, it is absolutely perfect. This looks so good. It's nice and thick and creamy. And it's so simple too. Just some flour, butter, the chicken stock. Man, it looks so good. But then I wanted to add something else, something to kick it up, something to make it my own, something to make it unique. And that's where I came up with the idea of shredded mozzarella cheese. And I added that cheese in, and it just brought it to a completely new level. You don't see a lot of mozzarella cheese and chicken pot pie, but when I make it, and when it's a challenge, you better believe I'm gonna step it up. So, let's add 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese and about 1.5 cups of shredded cooked chicken. Now I had the mixture and I had the pie crust. I wasn't exactly sure if it was gonna work, but it did. You simply roll out that pie crust, pour the filling on top, and then layer it with another piece of pie crust. I've never done this before, but you simply crimp around it. Then take a knife and just put about 1, 2, 3, 4 good slits in it, maybe even 5. And the reason why you're doing that is because you want the steam to come out. Put it in the toaster oven, 425 degrees, and voila, I created in a toaster oven a most delicious and beautiful, crispy, crunchy on the outside, creamy on the inside chicken pot pie with some fresh shredded mozzarella. You can add any cheese that you like. I absolutely loved it. And here it is, my delicious chicken pot pie. A crispy, flaky crust with chicken, mixed vegetables, butter, seasoning. Absolutely delicious. And don't forget the shredded cheese.